Hello teachers.
Welcome to VIệu speaking test today. Could you introduce yourself?
My name is Selena. I'm 13 years old. I am grade 7. My school name is Kiều Secondary School. In my free time, I would like to draw some pictures or listening to music. I don't like sport because I'm not good at it.
Okay, so Selena, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is hamburger.
Hamburger. What is the first step to make your favorite food?
To make a nice hamburger, first I use knife to slice some tomatoes.
Right. Where is your school bag made?
My school bag is made in China.
China, right. Now, I have two pictures for you. There are some differences between them, and I want you to find out four.
In picture A, there are 3 butterflies, but in picture B, there
there are also 3 butterflies.
In picture A, the man with a brown bag is getting into the college, but in picture B, he is getting out.
Right.
In picture A, 2 girls are standing and talking, but in picture B, they are sitting on the bed.
Right.
In picture A, there is a museum behind the wall, but in picture B, there is a hospital.
One more.
In picture A, the boy with a pink jacket is sitting and holding a violin, but in picture B, he is holding a drum.
Okay, very good. Next part. Let's move to the telling story part. Now I want you to make a story about a better cake. Look at the first picture. There are Daisy, Zoe, and their moms. Zoe are crying and Daisy seems to be sad. I think it is because they dropped the cake which made by their mother. Now, from the second picture, it is yours.
In picture 2, Zoe and Daisy are starting to make a new birthday cake, and her mom are heating the oven. In picture 3, Daisy is whisking the flowers into a bowl. Their mom is chopping the pineapples and Zoe is squashing strawberries.
Okay.
In picture 4, Daisy is standing on the chairs and she is putting the flower into the cupboard. Zoe is cleaning the table when her mom is washing dishes. The cake is baked in the oven. In picture 5, there is Joe families. They are very happy and singing birthday song for Joe.
Okay, thank you, Selena. That is a good story right there. Now the last part of your speaking test, I want you to talk about your favorite food and how to make it, okay?
Today, I will tell everyone about my favorite food and some steps to make it. My favorite food is hamburgers. First, I use knife to slice some tomatoes. Then, I slice some beef and put it into frying pan. After that, I put salad on the bread. I put a slice of fried beef on it. Then I put tomatoes on it. After then, I put cheese on tomatoes, but I don't put too much. After that, I put another bread on top. Finally, I serve it with tomato ketchup and enjoy it.
Very good. That seems very delicious. Thank you, Selena. And that is the end of our speaking test today, everyone. Thank you for coming. Now let's say goodbye to our audience.
Goodbye.